going to show you a very simple recipe, but so very delicious as well, using the salmon for dinner tonight. So first of all, we're going to saute in the pan just lightly, because we're going to just like pre-cook a little bit and then make a nice little recipe sauce, and then add the fish to it again after. So just now we're going to salt fish on all sides, salt and pepper on all sides. Let's go. And underneath as well, and on the sides, and all over. I'm using, of course, the pink Himalayan salt, full of good minerals, very good for you. And of course, we know the salmon has all these beautiful essential oils, omega-3. And we're gonna start in the avocado oil here in the pan. Oh, this pan is ready, so I'm gonna just add the salmon immediately. So turn it sideways as well, just to cook all around. So I'm just putting it back here in the same plate, because it's going to go back in the pan a little bit later. So let's prepare our special sauce now. So these are our ingredients, very simple. 2 cloves of garlic, some cherry tomato, I have some capers, spinach, and some cream. Let's put that together and send back the salmon in that beautiful sauce. Now we'll add all those tomatoes to the pan here. A little bit of salt and pepper. It'll take just a couple of minutes. We don't want to overdo the tomato here. Just a couple of minutes, and then we'll start adding the rest of the ingredients. And again, it's another dinner that's ready in 7 or 8 minutes. It just takes no time. I'll add the garlic now at this point. All those beautiful spinach here, all in. Now we'll add the cream. I have nearly just about 1 cup of cream here. Oh, that's gonna be nice. Let's bring that to simmer a little bit. We'll let it diminish just a little bit to make it just a little bit thicker. Adding the capers. And we're gonna put back our salmon right here and let it just cook a little bit in that beautiful sauce. And what we can do is just start putting that beautiful sauce on top here to make sure that it all cooks together. Now, if we were having pasta, we could take our salmon out and throw in the beautiful pasta in this amazing sauce, and that would be super. But tonight we're just having it just exactly like this, and it's gonna be so delicious as well. Oh yes, it's coming together. See, the sauce is getting just a little bit thicker, which is perfect, and it's getting all the taste. I smell the caper here and the garlic. Beautiful. Okay, dishing up. This one. Ooh, this smells nice, I can tell you that. Yes. Here we are, our beautiful salmon here. Now, let's just have a try. And I can't wait to see how it looks inside. Okay, ready. The tomatoes are sweet. Capers are salty. It's so nice. Very beautiful. Very, very, very nice. And so easy and quick. Bon appetit.